Hello viewers, today I discuss the Cofaso software the using electrical diagram 3-phase. First, create the project name tile project or label, no label 0. First create project name tile project or project shortcut label 0 or operating voltage 400 or control voltage 220 volt. Okay, so project file, first symbol, 3-phase three-phase motor, star connection, red, yellow, blue, 3-phase line or ground terminal, motor show or terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3 or terminal 4 is neutral, PE, power 13 or wire terminal check terminal cable selection, cable number, electrical cable, identify cable 53 euro or cable 4, cable white, brown, green, yellow or okay, cable okay. WS means white, BR means brown or GN means green, GNYE means gray or magnetic contactor selection, one piece main magnetic contactor, terminal 1, L1, L2 or L3 or ground selection, copy, paste or paste 3, 4 magnetic contactor 4 selection L1 means red, L2 means yellow, L3 means blue or copy, write, paste L1, L2, L3 terminal or ground okay. Or 4 L2 mean PE or 13 okay. Select a magnetic contactor for magnetic contactor using L1, L2, L3 connection on new project 2 symbol magnetic contactor A1, A2 coil 2 terminal or selected okay. So using line overload switch okay. Copy magnetic conductor switch symbol S 0 switch. Okay, magnetic conductor 1. Okay, magnetic conductor 1, magnetic conductor switching. One or same. Magnetic conductor 2, closing 2, modification 2, selection or